Terra Classic has made tremendous progress. However, recently things have quieted down a bit and a lot of people have gotten bored, given up, or maybe just stopped paying attention. However, these are the times when it's actually the most important to stay focused. We're going to talk about why. All right, so here we have Terra Classic, and about a month ago we had this huge pump, tons of excitement. Now things have come down a bit, started going sideways, and yeah, a lot of people have gotten bored, given up on this, stopped paying attention. But it's actually times like these when it is the most important to stay focused, even though you may not feel like it. Maybe you watching right now, maybe the price is getting kind of boring, so maybe you don't really want to pay attention anymore. It's the most important time to pay attention, and this is why. So if we look back here, remember back here, I remember making videos throughout this time back here when the price was doing absolutely nothing, super boring. And during this time, I was saying over and over, now's a great time to be accumulating Terra Classic. Now's a great time to be accumulating. This is a good time to buy, a good time to buy. We're going sideways, huge move is likely to come. And yeah, and this is why it's very important to stay focused, because if you were buying down at these levels, then you made massive money on this pump. When the price is pumping and it's super exciting and it's very easy to pay attention, that's actually when you should maybe look away, because if you bought here, here, or here, if you bought here, you lost money. So that's when it's super exciting and everybody's excited about it. That's usually when you maybe don't want to pay attention, because that's the riskiest time to be buying. Okay, but when it's super boring like this and it's hard to pay attention, that's when you want to stay focused, because these are the best buying opportunities. So like literally, I've been guiding you guys the best I can through this whole journey, and if you've been watching these videos for months, then you've likely made a lot of money, at least if you've been watching the videos and listening to what I'm saying. Because like I said down here, I said many times to buy. I even made a video right here titled "Your Last Chance to Buy Terra Classic," because I knew that a huge move was very likely to come when the price is just going flat like this. It's setting up for that. So I was telling people to buy down here, and then we said right here we could see that the pump was likely over. I said that this is a great time to take profits right at this level. And yeah, then we saw the huge jump. So, I didn't time the top perfectly, but this is pretty close. So yeah, if you've been watching these videos and buying down here, we said to buy down here, sell up here. So you made hundreds of %. So yeah, and now again, we are starting to go sideways. So, and the price is getting super boring again. Like nothing's going on with the price. We're pretty much going sideways. And this is when you want to be paying very close attention. So yeah, good chance we could see another scenario like this, where after this pump, we came down a bit and then just started going sideways for a while. And how long did we go sideways? Well, let's see here. So from the top of this pump was June 29th. And then the next pump started about 23rd of August. So a little less than 2 months. So maybe we'll see something like that. So when could we expect another pump? Well, top of this pump, 8th of September. So 2 months would be November 8th. So maybe we'll have another pump at the start of November, maybe on Halloween. That'd be pretty sweet. So yeah, we might be going sideways for another month before we see another pump like this. So be prepared for that, but these are the opportunities where you can accumulate. And generally when the price is going flat like this, that's the best time. So we may be looking at that soon. And even though the price may be going flat, Terra Classic is still developing like crazy. There's a ton of things going on with Terra Classic. So the future is bright. And yeah, sometimes it's better to not focus on your goals. Like we want to get to $1, but sometimes it's better to not focus so much on the goals and focus more on the progress you've already made. So we've already made insane progress. Like let's see, from back here, we are still up over 400%, 420%. We're still up. So that's what I'm saying. Sometimes it's better to look at the progress you've made. We've made insane progress. We were up 420% during the middle of a bear market where everything else in crypto is just going down, doing nothing. So this is amazing. And of course, you're not going to just be pumping parabolic forever all the time. There's going to be pumps, then some consolidation periods, accumulation phases where you go sideways for a while, then another pump. Then we might go sideways for another few months, then another pump. That's how it goes. So yeah, when the price is flat like this, that's when you want to be paying attention, even though it can be some of the most boring times to actually pay attention. But those are the people who get rewarded the most. So yeah, if you've been watching these videos for months, then you've likely made a lot of money. We were saying to buy down here, take profits up here. So called it pretty good. So that's why it's important to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, big things coming for Terra Classic. But then also, if we look at the whole crypto market, we're in a bear market. So this year has been, like, if we look at Bitcoin, this year's been a pretty rough year for crypto and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going straight down pretty much all year, and it's since beginning of November. So we're 1 month away from it being a whole year of just downward price action. So I think we're likely very close to the end of this bear market. All the other previous bear markets have lasted about a year. They've all ended in either November or December. So good chance this bear market could bottom out and end in the next 2 months. So we'll see if that happens. And then 2023 might be an amazing year. We've had a lot of bad times here in crypto last year, but good times are coming. So if we look here on the shorter time frame, we have this downward sloping resistance that we are getting squeezed in here. We're hitting it right now, but we have this downward sloping resistance and then this support at 19,000. We're going to be getting squeezed in here, which means in about a couple weeks at the most, Bitcoin is going to have to choose to either break to the upside or break this support. So we should see a big move coming here in the next few weeks. Could either be one more massive dump before the end of this bear market, or maybe we'll break to the upside and that will be the start of our next bull market. We'll see, but next few weeks should be interesting. Should see a big move coming. So yeah, crypto's been having a rough time, and yeah, a lot of people who, it was very exciting back here, and a lot of people who got in back here, they are bored with it now. They've given up on crypto. They're not paying attention, and this is actually the most important time to be paying attention to crypto, because we're down likely at rock bottom prices here, and whoever is still paying attention right now is going to be rewarded greatly over the next 3 years. So the fact that you're watching this video and you're still paying attention to crypto means likely you're going to make a lot of money over the next 3 years in the next bull market in crypto. So yeah, we'll see how many millionaires we can make on this channel over the next 3 years. Going to be exciting. But yeah, when it's up here and everybody's excited about it, that's actually the worst time to be paying attention and buying stuff. When nobody's paying attention, that's when you need to be paying attention. So yeah, we'll see. So crypto's been very boring, and Terra Classic's actually been quite exciting, but we're starting to go into a more boring phase price wise. But huge things are still coming for Terra Classic. So remember, stay focused, stay positive, guys, and I'll see you guys later.